Catamaran Beach Resort dito sa Khmer Eat Boracay. At na kami, ang aming hotel is shaped like a ship, yung barko. At eto siya, grabe, ang ganda guys, ang ganda ng buildings. Ayan! Kung sino may gustong sumama kay Lynn Murad Vlog, dito sa Boracay, babalik ulit kami dito kasi lahat ng pagkain very delicious, lahat ng hotels 5-star, lahat ng service very good, napaka-friendly ng Boracay. Wala kaming masabi. Ito na. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments, and share this video para malaman ng mga kaibigan na natin na kababayan natin na nasa Europe or nasa Germany na merong mga travels si Lynn Murad Vlog para malaman nila kung saan sila pupunta na murang-mura, budgeted lowest to the lowest price dito sa Boracay. Pero for now, mag-enjoy lang kami magsa-spa, wellness dito sa Catamaran. Ay, bongga. Ready to shop? Shop again. Ang gaganda nyo ngayon.
Ngayon na.
Go na. Original leather. OMG. Quality high to the max. Tapos baliktaran.
Baliktaran.
Ayan, ang maganda. O baliktaran na tiger. Ikaw ba yan? Gretchen Barates? Annabelle Rama. Ay, kasi may
Oo, ang ganda pala niya.
Wala akong masabi. This is the indoor pool. So we can use it for free.
You can use the indoor pool for free.
And jacuzzi, okay. This is for changing room for men.
This is for
And this
ladies.
is for okay, it's okay.
This is the spa.
Okay, this is
We
the
have the beauty center.
beauty center. We can use that,
The
right?
beauty center, but it's extra. If you want to make your face good.
That's extra. Okay. Yes, we
We
like
have the
that.
steam room.
Like steam room.
Okay. If you want a sauna.
Okay. That's for free, right?
Yeah, it's a free.
Okay.
Cold shower
Okay.
and warm shower.
Okay.
It's for free. Here is the hammam. If you
Wow.
want an extra.
Yes, this is the hammam. We don't Oh, wow. Relaxing room.
After hammam.
Okay. Where's the VIP room?
VIP room.
And this is the VIP.
Jacuzzi, as you say to me.
Oh, wow.
You wanna have
Really?
jacuzzi?
eto na. Last night na namin dito sa Catamaran Quality Times. At eto yung aking official perfume of the week. As in, buong linggo ko itong ginamit. Soleil's Larive ng Soleil. Sobrang ang bango. At talagang gustong-gusto ni My Love Mary. So, ito, mag-spray na tayo. Kasi, magaan lang siya. 60 ml kasi, kaya maliit lang siya. Good for travel itong Larive Soleil at ang bango-bango. Di ba, Shats, na ano masasabi mo sa Larive
Sobrang
Soleil?
bago, kaya mayroon akong Chanel, pero yan ang gusto kong gamitin.
Ayaw, mag-change siya ng perfume. Perfect for, ano ito, pang travel. Andito na. Andito na yung mga langga namin. At last party namin tonight. At ayan na.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Sus, sarap nitong gulay-gulay na to. Ito. Peppermint yan, oh. Guys, magandang gabi. Ito, last day na namin dito sa Turkay. At maraming salamat sa panonood lagi kay Lee Murat. Nandito kami sa hotel. It's our last night. Pagdidisco lang kami ng konti. After that, tapos magliligpit na kami kasi tomorrow we're going to fly back to Hanover and then sa Germany. Pauwi sa Bayern. So, napakaganda ng aming package na nakuha. Sobrang murang-mura na hindi namin akalain na mangyayari talaga ang lahat na nakasulat doon. I'm so happy, guys, sa aking vacation dito sa Turkey. At for sure, babalik ulit kami. Basta mura lang yung ating package. And yes, thank you for watching, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga videos ko from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and tomorrow is day 7. At marami pang mga travel tips na ibibigay sa inyo si Limurad Vlog. Sa lahat ng mga vacations ko, magbibigay kami ng sobrang magagandang tips kung ano yung pwedeng gawin, at kung ano yung magagandang bagay na gagawin ninyo dito sa Turkey pag kayo ay pumunta dito. At of course, today, Turkish bath kami. Ngayon naintindihan namin kung paano ang Turkish bath, kung ano yung treatment, kung ano yung services. At itong Turkish bath na to, ito yung sinasabi nilang hammam, paano nila paliliguan yung asawal ng sultan. Ganito yung ginawa sa amin today. Grabe, guys. Hammam, Turkish bath. Guys, grabe exciting! So, check out na kami. Good morning sa inyo lahat. Paalis na kami dito sa Catamaran today. Sending love from Turkey. See you again in Germany. Bye!